Jirpo GP lapen Don Marlitum, alalitum hello itu Miss KYF 2025 along kecipang ehin kecirap abang pubang pilasi alalitum makeup artist alalitum pan karchu hut nalitum katu kebeta asik ketepen naluri charda bica. Kosong kali amen taramiglo Ricky Teron, Nika Ronghangpi, Longki Tokpi, Britney Sangma lapen Rachel Sangma. Itum Karbi Cultural Society mate jakwe song him penalitum pan certificate of appreciation lapen gay litum uhui pak ser apuhui litum alalitum pan karchu i pansi aporsu en ponlu. At this very moment we are taking the privilege of honoring our makeup artist Mr. Ricky Teron, Nikki Ronghangpi, Longki Tokbi, Britney Sangma and Rachel Sangma. Without them, this night wouldn't have been so beautiful, right? A certificate of appreciation from the Karbi Cultural Society and
put your hands together for the top 5 of Miss KYF 2025! Here we have the top 5 of Miss KYF 2025. As it is the modern tradition round, costume being designed by Miss Wasapi Baby, and the whole ramp was being choreographed by Julie Baby. So I would like to request our ma'am Wasapi Baby, designer of the final round, to please join us onto the stage, and also would like to request Julie Baby to please join us onto the stage. And now I would like to request the members of the Jagriya song to do the honor of felicitating our custom designer of the final round,
Wasabi Baby, and of course, the choreographer, Miss Julie Baby. We have Wasabi Baby, designer of the final round. That is the modern traditional round, and of course Julie Baby, choreographer of the whole event of the Miss KYF 2025. Thank you, ma'am. As it is a final round, question round में है पंचतांसन सिद्धू जी. Questions will come from the judges. Yes. Yes, of course. And then accordingly, we will go. Moving on with our finalist number 3. Please come forward. Questions will come unanimously from the judges.
Hello, hi, good evening. You're looking fantastic today.
Thank you so much for a compliment.
Alright, are you nervous? Excited?
I'm excited, sir.
Perfect. That's okay. Okay, so your question, coming straight to the question. Why should we select you as our new title holder?
Thank you so much for a question, sir. Well, firstly, I would like to say about my fellow contestants. They had also worked hard to be here tonight. They had, throughout this journey, they had also made me very happy, and they were kind towards me. They had also shared a lot of things towards us, and each and every girl of them were kind towards each other. Well, you should select me as your new title holder because I'm confident, kindness, and I am very throughout this journey, I have learned a lot of things. I have learned the importance of disciplines, confidence, and to make a positive impact for our Karbi Anglong. And this platform will give me a great opportunity to bring a new chance for Karbi Anglong. And I will love and I will make my parents proud through this platform. Thank you so much. much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Put your hand.
Thank you. Up next, finalist number 9. Contestant number 9, I mean.
Good evening, contestant number 9.
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you kindly look this side? Hi, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling excited.
Are you ready for the question?
Sure, ma'am.
Here we go. If God granted you one wish, what would you wish for?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. And also, welcome to our Karbi Youth Festival.
Thank you.
So my answer about this is that if God give me a wish, I would like to wish a mirror of reflection, not only about the physical, but to see the heart of people, that to remember how to treat each other well. And not only that, we have a kind heart, so we together build a beautiful place with love and care. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you so much, that was fantastic.
So that was contestant number 9, and I would like to request the third finalist, contestant number 11.
Good evening. Contestant number 11.
Good evening, sir.
So, are you confident that you are winning the title tonight?
Yes, I'm super confident that I could win the title tonight.
Okay, that's great. So, my question is, let's, you know, we have a totem and we have a national symbol, right? The Karbis have their national symbol, totem. And do you know what it is?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your question, sir.
That was not my question, but I am asking you.
The Karbi symbol is the Jambalia Thong,
Okay.
which is the identity of the Karbi culture.
Okay, now tell me something about Jambalia.
Jambalia Thong is the most powerful, which serve the Karbi cultural community and the spiritual belief of the Karbi. Jambalia Thong is made up of bangwoi tree, which is called in Karbi bangwoi keer, and also which is called in English as wooden crab. Jambalia Thong have 5 branches. At the end of 5 branches, there is each birds, a wooden bird, which is called in Karbi Wajaru, and in English it is called Reket Tail Drongo. And also each 5 branches are considered to be the 5 clans of the Karbi. The 5 clans are Tumjang, Ejang, Lijang, Hanjang, and Kronjang. And each 5 clans have their own sub-clans. And Jambalia Thong is made by chosen craftsmen who receive a divine guidelines through their dreams to emphasize the sacred natures of its creation. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much for a very fantastic answer. It was precise, but you missed the simple thing, the most important thing. It's a symbol of unity. Thank you very much.
Sir.
No, sir. Next contestant, please.
number 12?
No, sir.
I'm here. Can you see me? Okay. Alright, so you look, again, all of you in fact, look really beautiful.
Thank you so much.
And the culture, the traditional dress is looking amazing. So, your question, you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question is, who is your idol? Who do you look up to and why?
Okay. Thank you so much for the question, sir. I really appreciate you so much. Well, my idol will be my mother. She is everything for me. Since child, she has been my idol. The way she inspired me, the way she overcome all troubles without any fear. That's the way she inspired me the most, and I really love her. So, yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, can I stress the question? You don't mind?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So it was a very beautiful answer. However, if you put a twist to the question, apart from your any family member, okay, do you have any other idol that you look up to?
Yes, sir.
It can be anybody.
Yes. So I have an idol. My idol, that is our Karbi legendary woman, that is Rong Parpi Rongbe.
And why? Can you tell us a little about her?
She is a legendary woman of our Karbi Anglong. She chased away the Kacharis that were trying to harass her. So I think she sells herself with a weapon, so I admire her. Thank you.
According to our co-judge, she was the symbol of courage, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Yes, of course. The last finalist, contestant number 13.
Good evening, lady in black.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, ma'am.
Not at all, right? You're really looking confident. Okay, my question to you is very simple. Tell us something about yourself and what is your proudest accomplishments?
Well, thank you, ma'am, for asking me this question. I'm a very hardworking girl. Everyone is hardworking, yes. But I'm confident that my unique blends
something about yourself, anything about yourself.
Well, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Well, I'm a very brave girl. I have accomplished very good, like very big titles in my life. Well, I won national judo in our school level and national basketball also, and district level yoga. So these were all my accomplishments, which makes me very bold and brave. Now I want to teach our young ones to defend themselves, because nowadays people are very are to women. So in order to empower women and young girls, I want to teach them what I have learned in my life. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So that's the end of the question round. Thank you. Thanks to all the panelists. You may vote to them according to the sequence and leave the stage. Put your hands together for the finalists as they walk to rap for the last time. Presenting Miss Anushka Teronti, first runners-up of Miss Assam 2024, Miss Karbi Anglong 2023, Miss Falcon 2023, first runners-up Miss KYF 2022, and Miss Falcon 2022. The very beautiful Miss Anushka Teronti. Miss KYF 2025. Before that, I would like to request the President and Secretary of Jagvia Song to please join us onto the stage. President and Secretary of Jagvia Song. And also before doing the honor, I would like to announce that we have a memento from the Karbi Cultural Society for the beloved judges and also to our lovely lady as a guest. First of all, I would like to request Mr. Mirjang Kro, and also would like to request the President of the Jagvia Song to do the honor of giving over the memento to our beloved judge, Mr. Mirjang Kro, President of Karbi Student Association, and a prominent singer of Karbi Anglong. And also would like to request General Secretary of the Jagvia Song to do the honor
Yes, of course. Mr. Shimanga Keshav, Director, Miss Assam Organization, and talent squad of Miss India Organization. And yes, of course, Mrs. Akunnaru Imsong, former Miss Nagaland, Co-Director, Miss Assam Organization, and State Director, Miss Universe Assam. President, sir, to please do the honor, yes, of handing over the memento presented by the Karbi Cultural Society, and also goes to Miss Anamika Bora, reigning Miss Universe Assam 2024, President and Secretary, to do the honor of giving away the memento on behalf of the Karbi Cultural Society. And we have our guest, Sakshi Biswakama, Miss Assam 2024. And we also have our special guest, Anushka Teronpi, first runner-up, Miss Assam 2024. Thank you so much. Oh, official photographers. All of them develop go like ni. Photo shoot.
Okay. Dan. Chalo.
In Negri, don't angry me. Hey, insam se lage yo. Nanti insam di ni ciri. Nanti rule replying dari insam pe lage. Hey, insam se. Ta. Our judges are almost ready with the results, I believe. Elitum results ke elitum judges sa ke hai pi tu mahin tan le archipolo na. Lapen komatsi ke hai zima le nili cini. Tanah elitum cini ne. Masih nili nang chante. Judges tum sedang chanji. Jalan ke cek. Te kang samta alam du apor alam du kang sir kelang ik du te ele tu judges tum bang singwai tanglo lasi ala tum phan puthot nili stage laman ke hang pen ala tum result ang take bang paklang phan sini de po. I would like to request, and I am handing over the mic to our beloved judges as they announce the results, and of course to give away the crown and the prizes.
But now I'm the anchor. I don't know what Sarim is thinking about. I think the results are ready. But before declaring the results for tonight, Miss KYF 2025, I would like to request all the finalists to come over the stage once again. And music please, and please welcome the finalists of the Miss KYF 2025. Okay, it's time now. Solo. Malo, Kahaji. Nalitong Lonely Prank. One photograph, please. Why should Sharin take the honor, right? Yeah. I'm here. I'm the boss right now. Okay. Before declaring the winners of Miss KYF 2025, we have some awards to be given, titles to be given. We have 3 subtitles, which the results is with me. Now, coming first for the best personality. Can someone guess who is the best? Can you? Okay. No one can guess it. Okay, right. So the best personality goes to Miss. She is here in front of you. Can you guess? No. I guess you don't. Lassie, best personality, Kelong Abang P Bang Kalalo, Miss Shanshile Himburema. Put your hands together for Miss Shanshile Himburema. Lassie, Alang Leopan, Abang so subtitle Kapajurji Apan, Nildoma committee members of Tumansi, Kabay Mancharitlo. Now, I would like to request Anushka to come forward. Could you vote? There's a gift hampers for her. I request both of you to please step forward a bit. Another gift hamper. Kadoko ita sethejung penhiring luna. Richard Abonang. We present the best personality. Nalidum Mama Mohor Energy and Tape. to the next title. Next bangke kopilo best walk. Kedam kelang minai abang so subtitle. Kelong abang pila bangke mane cinima. Ijang pima. Hanjang pima. Kronjang pima. Tungjang pima. Lijang pima. Chini nene pasidang menjadi. Okay, the best work goes to Miss Karbi Anglong. So I would like to request Miss Shakshi Biswakarma to give away the title to Miss Karbi Anglong, the best walk.
We want justice!
So coming on to the next title, it's Miss Photogenic. It's a Miss Photogenic kelong abampi. Nali tu mateng mumat sidolo. Kumalo. Ramat sidolo. Cinema. Okay. Miss Photogenic. Kelong abang apiamen. Bangke Miss Tina Charonpi. So labang so title kipiji upon Miss Anamika Bora upon si Apor Pilong. litum, alang litum halo bangatom, subtitle holders, nasi non jasamepet alang litum subtitle ano epi putot ilitum non bangke ahok pet Miss KYF 2025 indeng si hini ketom kelong halabang su Arizal bang non pandak pompo nasi labang su pandak pan I think Sarin you should do the honor. I'm handing over this microphone to you right now.
Leko, ne panang lang sila ripli ya. Elang si Rizal to ko mo pen thalam. Okay, right now I'm having the privilege to announce the result. But before doing that, I would like to request our beauty pigeons to please move a little backward so that our judges can join, and also the focus of the light can ultimately fall onto everyone. Yes, of course, I would like to request our beloved judges also to please join us in the midst. And also, yes, everyone. Please. So the focus of light can ultimately fall, and then people can have better photos. So result ke nirdeng lang situlo. Hai kone mengjang lang Allah mo pisi result di paklay ni. Ni quick. Okay, ta apor pada mangilo insamo. Higa mentusi memrida. Okay. So people of Taralangsu, come on. Put your hands together. As I call out the second runner-up of Miss KYF 2025. Ke Karbi Anglong, Kyundun, Raja ke Chapati, Bate Miss KYF along. Abang Piamen. Hem. Okay. Put your hands together. Second runners-up, Miss KYF 2025. Hunmili Timongpi. Put your hands together, everyone. Second runners-up, Miss KYF 2025. Second runners-up of Miss KYF 2024. Gift hamper. Momento, I will pass you to my judges. I would like to request our beloved judge to do the honor of giving away certificates of appreciation and a gift hamper to the second runners-up of Miss KYF 2025, Miss Hunmili Timongpi. Alangli hinlo Hunmili Timongpi, alangli labangso ang title. Ate second runners-up Miss KYF title alangli of rupees 20,000 and a memento from the Airborne family. Chorolo, happy. Akum naru imsang alang lipan chorolo. Non putot. First runners up like in making the tongue. Nili chidiro atamina in making the nili. Nalki chine. Miss KYF 2025. First runners up. Para langso. Komatsuki haipo. Ili tomang no si bang plidolo la bang plieng mong si. First runners up. Anong eh chupalong panlo. Let's komatsi hai si. Okay, without any further ado, first runners up of Miss 2025 goes to none other than Caroline Ingtipi. Please put your hands together for Caroline Ingtipi. I would like to request Dylan Rompipi to give her the crown. And of course, put it past our judges. To give away the check. Finally, the time has come for me to give you Miss KYF 2025. Amen lang ang the result lang ang po. Okay, okay, winner of Miss KYF 2025. The very beautiful, the very talented. Meaning a dog nine, meaning it's some nine, but they can do it, and it's some nine. Karbi Anglong, winner of Miss KYF 2025. Here we go. Karbi Anglong. Come on, everyone, put your hands together for the winner of Miss KYF 2025. And to give away the crown, I would like to request winner of Miss KYF 2024, Serlika Rompipi. Ito man no, laki. Karbi Anglong. The winner received a check of rupees 15,000. Alangli, sulit buket matangka sebagai polo. Lapente, alangli, Airborne lagi bank, kita lapente. Jaga song lapente, Karbi Cultural Society in there. Alangli pan. Merci. A huge congratulations to all the winners. Winner Karbi Anglong, first runners up Caroline Ingtipi, and yes, of course, the second runners up